day has come. My first ever brand new 100cc aircraft. I'm going to start with the cowl. This is the Flex Innovations Edge 540 yellow. Here's the cowl. It's got very nice paint, just like the Ultimate that I have. We'll see how it looks in the air. Next up, we'll do the fuse. So, we got wheel pants. Again, nice paint. One thing that I hear a lot of about my Ultimate is people are impressed how well the paint matches the covering. So, hopefully, same is true with the Edge. This is the package of the pipe holders for the fuse. That way you can mount your tuned pipe if you want. I will not be doing that because who wants a quiet airplane? That's dumb. Comes with a nice fuel tank. Just like any other high quality aircraft, that's what you expect to see, is a nice fuel tank. It's a big tank too, so should get at least 5 minutes out of that one. Oh wow. That's impressive. One of the very few planes that comes with an instruction manual. You don't get that very often these days. That'll be good to read through. We got side force generators. Probably won't use those. Baffles for the engine. That's really good for them hot summer days, although it doesn't get that hot here in Canada. And we got the cups or cuffs, whatever they are, for the landing gear. So extra covering, that's always good to have as well. Okay, that's it for that end. Let's see what's in this end. We got elevators. Massive. Absolutely massive control surfaces. That's going to be awesome. Can't wait to see what you can do with big surfaces like this. The only other 100cc plane I had didn't have anything like this for control surfaces, so really good to see. Anything else in that one? Nope. this one. It's an important one. Landing gear. Solid, I believe, carbon fiber. Yes, carbon fiber landing gear. Solid one-piece gear. That's really good. Enough of these two-piece gears that keep breaking. Be nice to have a one-piece painted gear too. Don't see that very often. Normally companies like to leave them carbon. Kind of excited to have a painted gear. Just gives that plane that last little bit of a finish that it needs. Okay, we got us a rudder. Again, massive service. This is the only one, as far as I've heard, that doesn't come with the control horns pre-installed. And I believe that's so you can choose between push-pull or pull-pull. So we'll have to mount the control horns into this one, but that's easy enough. Just a little epoxy and a little bit of glue, time, weight, be good to go. So again, massive control surface. It'd be really cool to see this on the plane. Next up is the fuselage. This is going to be a behemoth to get out of here. Oh, there we go. Man, you almost need two people just to get this out of the box. In fact, I'm just going to set this box on the ground. It'll be easier. Something is holding this. Oh, I see what's going on now. Nothing a little bit of a knife can't fix. Slicer there. Slicer there. There we go. Here we go. The moment that I've been waiting for the last couple years. A brand new 100cc airframe. We finally got it, and even better yet, I got the exact one I wanted all this time. So there we are. A 100cc Flex Edge. I cannot wait to put this together. This box on the end that the firewall was in has all your hardware. Don't forget that, because you throw that out, you're gonna have a heck of a lot of fun. And what else? Oh, just stickers. We don't need stickers. We'll get rid of that, just like the muffler mounts. So, pop that off. Pop this off. That's neat that they ship that, so that's very, very well locked into place. There's no doubt that that fuse is not going anywhere in that box. I mean, they actually used wood here and cardboard with the same wood, hole cut PVC pipe through the wing tube of the fuse. That was not going anywhere. That is the best shipping I've ever seen as far as packaging. That being said, I haven't had a brand new Extreme Flight yet, but I can't imagine that they're any worse than that. So everyone's doing such a fantastic job of shipping. No such thing as broken planes in that anymore, which is awesome to see. Here we go. It's like Christmas in August. Get to rip a couple pieces off here, and look at that. Wow, that is so impressive. I'll be doing a close-up of all these pieces once I'm done unwrapping everything. I'll give you a close-up. I'm very impressed with very little for wrinkling on the covering. which is good to see because you don't want a lot of wrinkles. Means it sat in a warehouse or something too long. Oh yeah, I like the new quick connects that they released. Those are sweet. Much better than the screws in the old one. Oh, they sure reinforced a lot of this too, so that's really good to see. I'll show you a closer up here at the end. Yeah, it's got all the new quick connects from Flex. That'll be nice for quick assembly at the field. I'm going to be putting some MPX connectors into here so that ailerons are really simple to hook up. You can't go wrong doing something like that. It just makes life a lot easier. Lots of room for CFG, lots of room for batteries, fuel tanks, however you want to go about it. They made room in this plane, which is excellent to see. It's going to be, oh wow, there's even lots of room inside the canopy up above everything too. So the options are unimaginable as far as what you can do to put this thing together so that your weight and balance and everything is a-okay, and it's good to see. So love the quick connects. I'm excited to have a plane with quick connects because the Flex Ultimate, super nice plane. I love my Flex Ultimate. Wish it had quick connects. They released the one with quick connects right after, so if you're getting a new Flex Ultimate, it'll have quick connects, and excellent plane. I love my Flex Ultimate. Next up will be wings. So I think for now we're gonna shuffle things around. We're gonna put the fuse closer to you guys, and we're gonna put the wings on this side of the table. So give me 1 second here and I'll rearrange. Awesome to see that they have pre-cut all the holes in both the cowl and the fuse. The cowl, it's pre-cut for the carb for quick air, and the bottom for ventilation out the bottom is all cut open. Super sweet, great idea by Flex. Super happy that they did that. Saves me a lot of time. All you have to cut in the cowl is your exhaust ports, so that won't take long at all to do, which is excellent news because normally that takes a long time to get that right. So just another step that they save you. Even them cutting or gluing the control arms in straight from the factory saves you so much time. It's not even funny. It just makes building so much quicker. Wings, again, excellent packaging. It's very impressive how Flex has done both my Ultimate and this one. Just amazing packaging. The Ultimate, the nice thing about it, all came in one box, but I understand this one's a little big to be doing that in, so I guess you don't win them all, but so we got us a wing tube and horizontal tube. That's really good. I was wondering where that was going to be. Really big wing tube, really long wing tube. That'll be excellent. You're not worried about blowing a wing off the thing, so that's awesome. And lastly, we got some nice wings packaged in there very well as a pair. No question about whether this is going to be wrecked or not when it gets to your house. As long as your packaging is not run through with a forklift, there's a very good chance it's going to show up in one piece. I mean, just awesome job. So we got ourselves some wings. These are massive wings, very impressive wings. And again, just massive surfaces. I don't I don't know, I think I'm gonna need some new 3290s from Savox to just power these ailerons. I mean, the sheer size of the aileron alone, just amazing, 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 amazing. Can understand the rifle roll rate. I understand now what it's all about. Why they can actually get that. I mean, I've been flying a 3D Hobby Shop Edge for 5 years now. Finally got over that one. Into the modern era with my 100cc model. So excellent. I'm loving the ability that I have, the blessing and ability to be able to do such a thing. So really nice job with these control horns. Just a little bit of styrofoam, that never hurt anything ever. In fact, it's a good thing it's there. They're even painted to match, so that's excellent to see. Just how the detail is awesome. I love having good detail on a plane, but gray control horn on the gray covering, black control horn on the black covering. Awesome job, Flex. That's just fantastic. And look at the size of that aileron. That is just awesome and gonna be fun to fly. I can't wait. Get this last one undone and give you a quick look at what I got here. And we got the last wing here, so that is it for this plane. Don't breathe the styrofoam in, not good for you. But yes, again, very well done, very tight covering, excellent to see. They did an absolutely fantastic job with this plane. Can't wait to get some flights on this thing and start showing you guys what I'm capable of doing with a plane as an amateur pilot. It's gonna be fun to just have a plane that's capable of doing anything and everything you can think of. I'll give you guys a quick look at everything and then yeah, build it this winter and have fun with it next year. So here you got the fantastic quick connects that they talk about. You just pull out half a turn, undone. Nothing quite that simple. And then lift up on there. This is the inside of the Flex Innovations Edge. So you can see it's all carbon fiber, laminated wood. Very strong structure by the looks of it. They used actual plywood instead of cheap plywood. And everything has been reinforced all the way through the tail. Good to see. I snapped too many tails right about here doing certain maneuvers, and be good not to snap another tail. That gets expensive after a while. So awesome job. Don't know if you can see down there, but excellent. And then they got the quick connector here for your elevator, and it's a wire for your rudder. So super simple And then they've even got quick connects on their wings now, and you can't put the canopy on unless that wing is locked in place. So excellent, excellent to see. And just amazing detail. There's your painted control horns, just stuff you don't see on everyday planes now. So yeah, really good to see, and even pre-drilled holes for the servos. So I'm excited for this one. I hope you guys will stay tuned for the next video, which will probably be me flying this thing.